Well, my TVA career started out as a nuclear plant auxiliary operator, and I worked through the ranks, and when I retired I was a senior reactor operator for TVA. When it became available to me to buy green power, I thought it was a great option, and I thought it was something that I would love to participate in. I love to tell my friends why I buy green power and what it can do for us to preserve natural resources, and proudly display the sticker on my car so people will ask me exactly what is that. Buying green power is the right thing to do if you're at all interested in preserving our resources and leaving a legacy to future generations of the beautiful Tennessee Valley.